Okay, so today we're going to talk about Mara. Do you think this stock is headed for a drop to back down to $13, $14? Because I don't think so. There have been a couple of buy signals flashing off of this chart that we're going to address, and then we can see right now that the market in Mara is currently struggling at $25. So let's break this down. Welcome everyone to the channel. Hit the like, share, and subscribe. This is what we do. We come in and actually drop price predictions. We're one of the only places here on this platform that is giving you all a heads up as to where we think the market's going to go. For this particular situation, we was talking about Mara on the 16th of October. We were looking for the price to go higher, and bam, look what happened yesterday. The market in Mara actually broke out from our ultimate TP price, which was around $22, $23, 25.66% right there. If you were to get out at the market close yesterday, you're up 38. So congratulations. Now let's get rid of that. Next thing we're going to get rid of is these pockets right here, these sellers pockets that the sellers did not show up at all. So we can actually get rid of them. They're like a placeholder for us to determine, okay, we think sellers will impact price, and if they don't, then we can get rid of it. Now, here we are going to create a buyer's pocket into the market in Mara, because apparently these people wanted to buy the stock there before the market broke out. Okay, let's look at this on a 90-minute. Here it is on the 30. I'm trying to create another area of some pockets that we can determine where the buyers are. That's all we're going to do. Because in the advent that price comes down in Mara, we can say, hey, look, we can at least try to expect, some people to try to come in and support this stock's price. So this would be our next one right here. So this one is already created. You guys can see when this buyer's pocket was created back in November the 11th. The market has already came today in pre-market and bounced from that particular zone. So we know that people are here trying to support the stock right now. They were successful in the first round, but who knows? In the second, third, fourth round, they may run out of money, and then the market in Mara may actually break. Okay, so I'm just saying this is a good indication that they're still there. Here is Mara on the daily time frame. Just saw that here. It's on the 2. Okay, before this massive spread on this current 2-day price bar, before that 29.5% breakout, we already saw the market what it wanted to do. It already told us, hey, I'm looking for this price to go higher in Mara. Okay. Now let's look at this on the 3. We have 8 hours and 53 minutes left right now. Yep, 8:53. And look at what's getting seen on the chart. So do you think the market's going to try to target this other seller's pocket right here around like $27.25 to $29? That could be it. We may be on our way to try to see that occur in Mara. If not that, like this could be a pocket right here. So we're going to put that there because I want to see that. Here's Mara on the 4. Back to back. Here it is on the 3. Buy. Here it is on the 4. Buy. Mara on the 5. Buy. Here it is on the weekly chart. Already seeing one being triggered. We still have 3 days, 9 hours though, but that's a good indication there too. Mara on the 3. The 3 weekly price chart. You rarely get any signals the further out in time you go on the charts, but then look what happened there. Okay. Here it is on the 5. Mara on the monthly chart. So the market is still bullish. Okay, we got that. The problem though is we're hitting these pockets. So if I were to create this pocket here and then the one that's above it, this is a pretty wide area that we could suspect that the market in Mara could get hit with people willing to sell. So even though we're seeing a lot of indications, a lot of buy signals flashing on the chart, we need to be careful because these are stronger than signals. It's kind of like a roadblock. As you see these market signals trigger, price continues to inch closer and closer to these pockets. your idea is that, okay, cool, we might see the market begin to go down. Okay. So I just want to caution you that even though we are noticing this stock being bullish, look, we got these pockets now that we got to contend with. Okay. So what we're going to do, I'm kind of stuck. I don't know if I want to put on a prediction here, or should I wait to see if the market's going to try to come back and fill this? I think I'm going to wait. I think this is what we're going to do. We're going to wait for this market in Mara to give us a little bit more weakness and selling. Because this is the only reason you guys don't have to, because like I said, my idea is still for the stock to go higher. But I'm just a little bit more cautious right now because of this gap right there. And that has me leery that market's going to continue to sustain this massive move in a short period of time. I'm waiting for the market to come down first to see if it's going to grab one of these buyers' pockets. Okay, so give me that, and we'll see what happens. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit. As always, trade different.